and welcome to this week's special presentation. My name is Patrick France, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, and today we're going to be showing you all you need to know for the next upcoming enhanced User Group Hot Stock Picking Challenge. So with that, let's get right into it. With a new month comes a new reward. Our new prizes this month will be up from the previous month. As you can see, first place will now get $500 for winning, second place will take home $250, and third place will get $150. With the bigger reward on the line comes more responsibility to each contestant. This month, we're going to allow more flexibility than ever before. So with that, let's go ahead, jump right into the rules for this month. Starting off, the contest will be running from the open of the market on September 3rd to the close of the market on September 30th. Each user group portfolio will be managed by the user group leader or an appointed person. To register for the Hot Stock Picking Challenge, user group leaders must email usergroups@vectorvest.com by Thursday, August 29th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. All registrations must include the first and last name along with the email address on the account we should add the portfolio to. And as that hints to, which we'll see here in more detail in a few moments, you will be able to manage your own portfolio how you see fit. The Hot Stock Picking Challenge portfolio will automatically be added to the accounts on Friday, August 30th after the market closes. Trades can be entered at any time after the portfolio is added to the account, but will not start trading until market open on September 3rd. If you decide to use the Genius, you want to ensure that it's turned on before the market opens on September 3rd as well. Each participating user group must try to maintain a 10-stock portfolio. Portfolios that go below 5 stocks will automatically be disqualified. Therefore, we highly recommend you use the automation to make sure that it's replacing any closed positions, so therefore you'll never go below that minimum of 5 stocks. Stocks must have at least 100,000 in average volume and must have a price greater than $2 a share. Only long positions are allowed, including contra ETFs, so therefore no shorting stocks this round. Stop loss and portfolio automation is allowed, and once again, we encourage it. Each trade will incur a $4.95 commission rate. All HSPC user group leaders or appointees managing the account will receive VectorVest real-time for the month of September. All stocks submitted must be from the VectorVest US database. All VectorVest decisions are final, and we will also contact the user group leaders in regarding the payment of the awards. Just as a side note for any user group leaders out there, you don't have to worry about writing this all down because we will be sending you an email come Monday with all the information we're covering here summarized for you. And now with that, let's jump into the software to give you a sneak peek of what this will all look like. Once you sign into your account after the market closes on August 30th, you will want to head over to the portfolio section, and on the left-hand side, you'll find a portfolio with the title HSPC and then your city name. So we'll click on that to open it up. And this is what your new portfolio tracker will look like. Now, if you're going to be placing a trade manually, you'll come up to the Add Trade button at the top, come down and add an order. You'll choose your action of buying. If you're doing it manually, you'll have to also put in the quantity. So for example, let's say we bought 10 shares of Apple. The order type will always stay at market, and then the duration obviously would be for the day. Now this is what you'll want to do for all 10 of your stocks. And once again, all portfolios must start with at least 10 stocks in them on September 3rd. So we'll go ahead and add a few more. Once again, we'll select buy. We'll say 10 shares. Let's say we wanted to add a contra ETF. There we go, we have it set for the market. We'll add in just a few more here. And then another one. And once again, this is just for demonstration purposes, folks. Once you've got your orders set up, you'll hit Preview Orders in the bottom right-hand corner, then select Place Orders to confirm them. Now, if you place a trade after the market is closed, your trade will be queued in the upper right-hand corner to execute at the open of the next trading day. If you want to manually close a trade, simply come up to the Add Trade button once again, go back down to Add Order, you would choose Sell, type in the quantity of the stock that you want to sell, then choose Preview Order, then Place Order to confirm it. Just like a buying order, if you set up an order to close a stock after the market is closed, that order will be set to take place at the open of the next trading day. As I mentioned earlier, we highly recommend you take advantage of the Genius to automate your portfolio so that way you ensure you never fall below that 5 stock minimum. To add automation or stop criteria to your current positions, once you've entered them into your portfolio, go to the Edit button in the upper right, choose Build a Custom Trading System. For this, you would turn off Market Timing, come down to Automation Rules Long. For Fill Mode, if you're going to be manually replacing stocks, you would simply select None, and then go to Stop Criteria at the top to put on whatever stop criteria you deem is suitable for your trades. For example, we use the Profit Locker Pro, and we'll just simply select Prudent Enhanced. Once we've got our stop criteria set up, we choose Finish. Then you would save it. As a side note, you want to make sure the Genius is on, if you are using automation, before the market opens on September 3rd. So we'll go ahead and click on Save, and then Apply to Existing Positions. And as you can see over here on the right, we now have our Profit Locker Pro stops set here. So therefore, once our stocks meet that criteria, they will automatically get sold out of the portfolio. Now, if you want to make it easy and have the Genius replace the stocks that get stopped out with your hot stocks, let me show you how you can do that very easily. To do that, we'll start off in the Viewers tab at the top. And on the left-hand side, you can see I have a watch list titled HSPC for my Hot Stock Picking Challenge. This is where you can enter in and manage the stocks that you think will do the best. Once you've got those stocks into the watch list, then come up to the Unisearch at the top. And all it takes is one simple line of search. So we start off by clicking on Parameter, go to Stocks, Filter By, and then Watch List. Operator would be equal to, and then value, simply select the watch list that you want to use. So we say OK. And one nice feature about utilizing the Unisearch to do your stock picks is that you can customize the sort as well. For example, if you didn't want VST descending, but you wanted some of the hottest momentum stocks of the time, you could simply change your sort from VST to RT, or even RT times CI. Once you've got your sort, you say OK. Now to save your new search, simply come up to the blue floppy disk icon that says Save, choose Save As, scroll down till you find the My Long Searches, select that so it knows what search folder to be in, and then give it a name. You can select search type. We know we're going to be going long this month, so we'll select long, then say OK. Now once we've built our search, we can go back into the portfolio, go back to the Edit button in the upper right, and customize our trading system. So if you have a trading plan that you really like and you would like to implement for this month's contest, you can set up all those rules in here as well, utilizing all the different market timing systems, such as confirmed calls, primary wave, or DEW. But for now, we'll turn off market timing and just go to Automation Rules Long on the left-hand side once again. And this time we can utilize the fill mode, so we'll keep it on search, come down to My Long Searches, and select our HSPC search that we just created. Then set up the stop criteria once again, so Profit Locker Pro, we'll use Prudent Enhanced, then go to More Settings, And if you are automating it, you do want to make sure that it's set to try to maintain 10 positions. We'll keep all the other settings at their defaults and select Finish at the bottom. Then we'll choose Save and Apply to existing positions. So as you can see, our portfolio only had 3 stocks in it from our previous example, but utilizing the Genius now has filled those empty spots with 10 stocks now. Therefore, we never have to worry about our portfolio going below that 5 stock minimum. So hopefully you enjoyed today's presentation and you have a good idea of what to expect for the upcoming month. You now know how to place trades manually by using the Add Trade, or to let the Genius take over and manage it for you by using the Edit and the Portfolio Genius settings. Once again, thank you for your time today, and if you have any questions on what we have covered here, please don't hesitate to give our support a call.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.